Hello investors, as you guys can see, the crypto bubbles are a little bit green, so we're seeing a little bit of a comeback here in the altcoin section. In today's video, we're going to be covering the top 3 potential altcoins to buy right now on this dip type situation that we're looking at. So obviously in the market right now, the market is up about 0.69%. As we can see, Bitcoin and everything else is pretty much staying stable around the same areas for the past few days that we've been looking at the market here. Bitcoin up about 0.5%, Ethereum up about 0.5%. Trading volume is very low, only 18.5 billion on Bitcoin, only 9.4 billion on Ethereum. So volume has definitely tremendously dropped in the past few weeks. As we were trading 20, 30, 40 billion in volume here on Bitcoin just a few months ago, things kind of have settled down in the past few months, and things aren't popping as they were in the past. Now, some of the altcoins are making a little bit of a pushback. So here, Binance Coin up almost 1%, Solana 1.5%, Cardano about 6%, Luna 6%, Polkadot 3%. We see Dogecoin making a pullback. So obviously, we had that huge news with Dogecoin that finally Elon Musk accepted Dogecoin as payment for some of the merch on the website. So obviously, we saw the huge pop from about 14 cents all the way up here to highs of about 22 cents at one point. So that's about an 8-cent gain there, over a 50% gain just on that news from Elon Musk, obviously, which was huge. We do see some other red coins here as well that are in the red, down about 1 or 2% or so. So the market is kind of all over the place. We're seeing some coins up, some coins down, and many things trading sideways, just like Bitcoin and Ethereum are currently. We see a little bit of a pop, then we see it pull back down in the next 24 hours or so. So crypto bubbles, like we said, guys, if we take a look here, obviously one of the top gainers here in the past week, or one of that we want to look at, is obviously going to be Doge. So Doge is up 18.7%. We see Luna, one of our favorite coins here, 25%. We have AnySwap up 57%, Near Protocol 37% or so. Right here we have Cream Finance up 107%. Another winner here, Oasis Network over 63.8% or so, and many other gainers here that we're seeing on this chart. So there's always opportunities. Obviously, we're seeing some green here, which is a positive sign for investors that are trying to get in on the dip buying opportunities. So guys, before we get into this content, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes. I know you guys can do it, so smash that like button. It takes literally 1 second to do. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video, and as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you currently looking to buy. So let's get into it. The first altcoin on this list is going to be Cardano ADA. The reason we have this one is obviously we've made about a 50 to 60%, pullback from the highs in the past few months, and this could be an opportunity if we can find a bottom and start to trickle back up. So here in the past 24 hours, we're up about 6%, trading at $1.35. In the past week, this one's up 14%, hitting lows at one point at around $1.07, which is just insane to think about. I mean, those are some crazy lows. In the past month, we're actually up 2.5%. Past year, 281%. Obviously, we saw these highs here in September at around $3.10. From that $3 range all the way to this $1 range that we hit, last week, that is about a 66% drop or so here on Cardano. So insane. This one was over 100 billion market cap just a few months ago, and now we're trading at a 45 billion market cap. There's over 100% upside, close to 150% upside, just to get back to the all-time high areas. But obviously, the coin has returned a nice gain here in the past year, as it was trading at around 38 cents here last January. So pretty decent gain still here on this one. Volume is down 30% compared to yesterday's, trading at 1.2 billion. We see trading activity at 69% buy, 31% sell. It is still ranked the number 6 coin, so it is battling up there with Binance Coin and some of the other ones like Solana. Typical hold time is still 80 days on this one. If you're not familiar by now, obviously Cardano is a blockchain platform built on a proof of stake consensus protocol that validates transactions without high energy cost. Now, development on Cardano used the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled security and stability. So Cardano, with this pullback, in my opinion, I think it's a nice opportunity to, buy the dip. So we're seeing this bottom now twice around this level. It tried to bounce back. So hopefully if we see this bounce and, break through this $1.50 area, potentially we could see a little bit of a turnaround and a recovery here on Cardano. But obviously it's also going to, take a look at the rest of the market. If the rest of the market recovers, most likely Cardano will too. If the rest of the market does not recover and continues to trade sideways, or even potentially continue to pull back in the beginning of 2022 here in the first quarter, this one could pull back down under $1 at some point. But it's definitely one we're going to add to the radar and keep a very close eye out on it. So that's the first altcoin, guys. Second altcoin is going to be Cosmos, also known as Atom. So this one is up about 2.5% here in the past 24 hours. We saw it here, lows at about $38.86 here today. Now it's at $41.22. Made a little bit of a pop here going into the night. In the past week, we're up 15%. Past month, we're actually up 84%, which is insane to think about. So as everything else has been pulling back, Cosmos has been a winner, guys. So Atom here has made a comeback pretty much. So last year this was trading at $9. Went up to highs here around May when the first high that we saw at $30, pulled back down again to under $10, came back to highs of $44. Then from September, we saw a lot of pain here, especially going into November and December, hitting lows at around $21. And then we saw it go from $21 on December 21st. And within about 2 or 3 weeks from $21, we're hitting highs up here of over $40, $42 or so. So about a 90% gain right there in a matter of a month, which is insane. So even with the market pulling back and trading sideways a little bit as well, Cosmos has kept up. So there's always opportunities out there. You just have to search and find them. And Cosmos was definitely one of those opportunities. While the market was, pulling back down, this coin has, doubled in price pretty much in the past month. So still up over 356% in the past year, which is still an insane gain, destroying Bitcoin's returns for sure. So 9.3 billion market cap currently. Volume is at around 1 billion, down about 37% lower than usual. Typical hold time is going to be 41 days. It is ranked the number 19 coin, 64% buy and 36% sell activity. Cosmos is a cryptocurrency that powers an ecosystem of blockchains designed to scale and interoperate with each other. The team aims to create the Internet of Blockchains, a network of blockchains able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way. Cosmos is a proof of stake chain. Atom holders can stake their tokens in order to maintain the network and receive more Atom as a reward. So obviously staking is a huge thing in the crypto market where people lock in their coins and receive more coins in return. So this coin, definitely one watching here for momentum play, potentially to break through that all-time high area at around $45 and continue to push on higher into 2022. So definitely one to add to your list as well. Then we have, last but not least, number 3, Terra, also known as Luna, one of our favorite coins as well. Here in the past 24 hours, it's up about 6.5%, trading at $86. In the past week, this one's making a nice comeback here, 29% higher. In the past month, 39%. So obviously, we saw highs here near around Christmas, around $100. Pulled back down all the way down to lows of about $63. Insane pullback, about 35% or so. And then on the 1-year chart, we're still up over 11,397%. As we can see, shooting back up here, trying to get back to the all-time high area. So from $100, we pulled back down to about $60, $65, about a 30% drop. And now we're seeing the recovery. So literally in the past week, a lot of these coins have started to make a little bit of a recovery, which is a positive sign for any crypto investors that bought a dip. So dip buying opportunity right there at the beginning of January, and now we're seeing a little bit of a comeback. Hopefully, we continue to push on higher past this 90 area, and then potentially even the $100 area, hitting all-time highs. This coin was trading at around 75 cents last year, so to see it here at 86 now, it is insane for anybody that was, has been holding for the past 365 days. Market cap 31 billion currently. Volume is flat at 1.7 billion. Obviously, Luna continues to push on higher, and it's definitely a coin we're going to be watching very closely this year to see if it continues to push on higher and higher. Currently, Luna is ranked up here right behind Solana and Cardano, and Ripple. Obviously, now Ripple has actually beat it as well, but it's in the top 10 up there. It's trying to stay relevant, so it's definitely doing very nice, guys. So those are going to be the 3 top altcoins we're going to be watching right now. But let's take a quick look at the rest of the market, see how everything's doing. We already covered the meme here, Doge. Obviously, Shiba Inu continues to push lower and lower. Dogecoin is staying up over 7 billion market cap higher than it is as well. So this is a positive sign for Doge. It's making a little bit of a comeback, getting some life back into it thanks to Elon Musk once again. It's kind of like a 2021 replay. Are we going to see another pump with Doge or not? Now, Bitcoin, obviously, like we said here, flat in the past 24 hours. In the past week, pretty much flat as well, only up 3%. Past month, we're actually down about 12% almost, hitting lows at one point at around 39,000. That was the low that we saw here in January. And then obviously on the 1-year chart, we're still up 19% or so. But Bitcoin was trading around 36,000 last year at this time. We saw highs up here at 63,000, pulled back down all the way to lows of about 29,000. Then we saw another high here at around the beginning of November at 69,000. And then from that 69,000 area, we hit down here to the support level. So Obviously, we've been talking about in our recent videos, 42,000, 38,000, between 38,000 and 42,000 is the support level that we see, and that's exactly where we see a bounce right now. So we bounced off of this. Hopefully, we'll consolidate a little bit if that's what Bitcoin wants to do, consolidate sideways a little bit, and then make a little bit of a trend back up. And hopefully, after the first few months of the year, Bitcoin can make a little bit of a return. 814.5 billion market cap currently, 31% of the crypto market space. Volume is down a little bit. Trading activity, 75% buy activity, 25% sell activity, and we have 82 typical hold time days on Bitcoin. Then we have Ethereum here, trading flat today. In the past week, we're up 7%. Past month, we're down 17% with lows of $2,900 at one point. So $2,900 pullback right there to the lows. Bounced off of, once again, the area that we were trading in September. Same thing with Bitcoin here in September. That low right there, that's exactly where we bounced off of here with Ethereum as well, around this 2,900 area. We bounced off. Hopefully, we'll make a little bit of recovery here, potentially trade sideways a little bit, and then continue to push on higher to get to those all-time high areas again in 2022. That would be very nice to see, as Ethereum is still up 170% in the past year, much better than Bitcoin, pretty much 10xing Bitcoin's returns. Market cap right under 400 billion at 15% of the crypto market space. We have 74% buy activity, 26% sell activity, and 71-day typical hold time. Obviously, I'm still very bullish on cryptocurrencies. We saw a very bullish market where everything kind of pumped up in 2021, and now we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. It is a normal thing to see pullbacks. The market cannot always just go straight up. We're going to see days like this. We're going to see months like this, obviously, and this is the opportunity. If you were buying a coin at $10,000 before, why would you not be buying it now if it was trading at, let's say, $7,000, if you were willing to buy it at $10,000? So the buying opportunities are usually great. Dollar cost averaging into your coins is an opportunity to get a better price for the future, guys. So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think? Do you agree or disagree? What do you think is going to happen in the crypto market space? Smash that like button for me, obviously. Subscribe to the channel. As always, I am not a financial advisor, so this is not financial advice. Before investing, speak to your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence and make sure you understand what you're getting into before investing. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.